Alright broski, so today it's gonna be one of the busiest days of my life because I got a shit ton of work to do. And I just got my axle rebuilt. Check it out. It's nice and lightweight. So it's right here. Check it out. Fucking beautiful. Nice and fixed. And also, my diff exploded on the Z. Luckily, I have this other one right here, and this one comes with solid bushings, solid diff bushings. So we're good, ready to go. I just gotta put some oil. It's already welded. And also, I want to show you guys one more thing that I got for the Z. Check it out. Let's open this shit up. Oh, and it's perfect timing because today I got the axle, the diff. I had it already, and this just came in right now. So check this shit out. Remember how I told you that the rear end like would jump when I would drift? Well, I ordered the rear subframe bushings. So let's see if I can do this shit with one hand. Chingon. Check it out, broskies. I went with the solid ones, so should be good. So for those of you that have done subframe bushings on any car, 240, 350 or whatever, you guys know that shit's a pain in the butt. So most likely I'm gonna be here all night. I'm just kidding, maybe all day and some night time, but it's gonna be kind of hard. And then especially because I'm gonna be doing it on my own, so I think it's gonna be hard. Hopefully later the homie Angel comes or Christian comes and they help me out. But yeah, after all this, the car should be ready, and I don't think I'm gonna need anything else for now until like break shit, you know. I'm gonna put these in the freezer. I don't know why, but people do that shit, so I'm gonna follow the trend and do that shit too. Alright broski, so I kind of fucked up. Remember the shake I keep talking about? I thought it was a subframe bushings, and I made a discovery right now, and it wasn't the fucking subframe bushings. Let me show you guys real quick. So when I lifted the car, I lifted it from the diff, and check this shit out. Right, you guys ready? See all that play on the diff? You guys saw that shit, right? Look at that bushing. You guys see it? That shit is ripped. And that's where I'm getting all my fucking play. So check it out. I'm gonna let go of the. I'm gonna lower the jack, and then you guys are gonna see that shit. Watch. You guys saw that? So all that shake I'm getting is from the diff, from that fucking bushing. And that's the fucking pedo. So in reality, I didn't really need the subframe bushings, but I'm already thinking of doing them anyway, either way. So what do you guys think? Should I do it? Or, because I found a bushing right now, so I think I'm gonna go pick it up later today. Hopefully the guy answers. And but I don't know if I still gotta bring down the subframe in order to press that one out. I'm pretty sure I'm still gonna have to, so might as well do the subframe bushings. You guys see the frustration of a race car owner. Fuck it. So it took me like an hour to unbolt everything from the subframe. Brake lines, all those braces, drive shaft is ready to come down. Guys, that shit was a pain in the butt. It wasn't, everything went smooth, but it's a lot of things you gotta take off. Like all these braces, there's two on each side. There's another brace in the bottom. The the drive shaft, the exhaust, and the calipers, the coil, and then the bolts for the subframe. Should be good to go. But the bushings are still good. Fuck it, I'm gonna go with solid ones, and then this is the one I'm telling you guys, the fucked up one. Hopefully Christian comes through. He texted me right now. Let me see what he said. I don't know. Some tow for tomorrow, and I need to do this shit quick because tomorrow it's gonna rain. Today's Tuesday, it's supposed to rain Wednesday, and then it's probably gonna rain for the track day. But fuck it. Fuck it, let's do this shit. Alright broskies, so those are the old worn out subframe bushings, and then these are the new ones. They're nice and cold. I'm gonna put some grease and then I'm gonna slide them in. Like fucking butter. Like that. All right, we're fucking done. After like an hour, it wasn't too bad. Everything's on. El chingazo. Now we're just gonna go test it out. See, make sure everything's right. Make sure the fucking diff spins. Alright broski, so we finished the car, put the diff on, and I didn't get to test drive it, but the car is good to go for Thursday. Shout out to Christian for helping me out. I didn't get him in the video because we were trying to do that shit quick. And right now we came to a taco spot, but he went home already. and I probably won't finish editing this video until tomorrow, so sorry about that. I'm gonna miss an upload, but I've been trying to upload every Tuesday and Friday, and I don't know if you guys noticed it, but I think I've done it for like 2 months straight. Wait, sorry, 2 months straight, and just today, just because we ended up kind of late. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.